So now let's talk about YUBHA's CMT Level 1 program. Okay, what we cover. So we cover live lectures up to more than 80 hours of live lectures. It is in English and plus unlimited recording access. So all these lectures are recorded. You don't need to worry if you miss any of the lectures. You can always see the recordings. Okay, so that will not no, that won't be a problem, right? Comprehensive coverage. The course covers almost all aspects required for the exam. So we cover everything from the curriculum. We do not leave anything. Okay. Course starts from the course is starting from 15th of August. So all three levels is starting from 15th August itself. The timing and schedule I'll tell you as we go forward. Okay. We are a participant prep provider by CMT Association. If you go to the CMT Association prep provider segment, you will see our name there at the top. Okay. Assessment questions. We provide you the access of more than 700 plus questions, chapter-wise questions for assessment. Okay. They are organized in chapter-wise format. Okay. We also provide you three mock tests which can help you to prepare. So basically, you have done one reading, you attempt one test. Another reading you do, another test you can do. Another third reading you do, you can do the third test like that. Okay. We also take a preliminary exam like we do it in school and colleges about 50 days before the exam, which is a stimulation of the prometric test environment. You can give it from your home. Okay. Doubt solving sessions are conducted at the end of each class. Okay. And two exclusive doubt solving sessions will be done after the curriculum has been completed. We have instructors. 3 to 4 instructors will be there who are all chartered holders, and they also specialize in different topics. So what we have done is that every person has their own expertise, right? So whichever is instructor is expert in whichever topics, we assign them those topics so that the instructor is also easy and comfortable, and students also get the best of the instructor. Coaching approach is systematic and objective, and we use practical examples from the US markets, from Indian markets. Okay, we get instructor support till from the instructors, right? Access duration is unlimited access, limited to 3 devices, okay, to the course until you pass or 1 year, whichever is early. So basically, the course is available for 1 year, okay, or till you pass. If you pass, then the course will end. Okay. Revision notes, chapter-wise detailed notes are provided. Online community, we have an online community of on Discord, where there are more than 500 participants, including all levels of participants and charter holders as well. Level 1 class strength will be generally between 25 to 35. Okay. Video lessons are there. Video ranges from around 1.5 hours to 3 hours, and they are designed to explain topics in detail with examples. Performance tracking, there's a detailed dashboard and performance metrics are available to track your study progress. So I'll show you the demo of the portal, okay, near to the end of this session. Okay, accessibility, basically they can be accessed by on from your PCs, from mobiles, Apple devices, and tablets. Okay, allowing you the to study anytime, anywhere. Instant access you'll get as you register. You can start studying immediately with recorded lectures from the previous batch. So the batch will be starting from 15th of August. Now there are only 5 days left, but if you would have joined before that, or even if you join today, you will get access of the previous batch recording so that you can start your studies if you want to. Otherwise, from 15th August, and which is you'll get the live sessions. Instructors' experiences, basically trading and investing experiences, are shared by all the instructors having collective experience of more than 50 to 60 years, right? So generally, if you add the experience of all the instructors, it will be more than 60 years. Sponsorship and job recommendations after passing level 3 required CMT sponsorships from all the 3 instructors. And so basically, once you pass, I just told you, you will need sponsorship from CMTs, right? So the instructors will sponsor you because they know you, right? If you have been with us for all the 3 levels, obviously, We know how good you are, and the instructors will sponsor you, so you don't need to worry about the sponsorship. We also give job recommendations, which are posted on the Discord portal. This is not a job guarantee. Whatever, say we have some network in the industry, so whatever people need some help, or they need to hire CMTs, they contact us, and we post those opportunities on the Discord channel. The credibility, we have trained more than 800 CMT aspirants since we are doing this since 2015, and we coach for all the three levels, and we do not leave you your hand in between. So basically, many of the other CMT prep providers do not give you the coaching for level 2 or level 3 because they do not have enough students, so they do not coach you for that. The coaching fees is basically 30,000 plus 18% GST, which comes to 35,400. We'll be talking about the pricing much detail at the end of this presentation. Okay.